firework mode or something?
Yeah.
Bang.
Oh, no, I'm trying to get a good either wide or high. And I think that this is the best way. This works. Boy, I'm so glad they moved out this trailer here.
Yeah.
You got it perfect.
Yeah, I got a perfect shot.
Wow. See, we didn't have to go look for a spot.
No, we didn't have to look for a spot.
We sat in our spot.
That's right.
Excuse
Nice.
Nice sounding fireworks.
That's actually a firework?
No. Poppy's just making a joke.
I actually thought it was.
It's an ooglehorn.
With the fireworks.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Just imagine something like that going off underneath your lawnmower.
Oh, wow.
No, I can't. I think that would be quite startling.
And be like, well, I just realized if you flip it over, the same thing but different colors.
Yep, it's in reverse. The pattern is in reverse.
So is this like interchangeable?
So it's like whatever is white on top would be brown on the bottom, and whatever is brown on top would be white on the bottom.
So it's like reversible.
Yep. That's very cool. So maybe
Like
they'll...
those ones that come down like the willow trees.
Yeah. So maybe they'll blow the ones off tonight that they forgot to do it last night.
I wonder why Daryl and Nancy knew they weren't doing it.
Yeah, which is crazy because it was in the schedule.
It was in the program, yeah.
By the company or we had that they found out about. Like,
Right.
there you go over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, fireworks are pretty cool. Just the noise ones, you know, it's tough on the animals.
When that family party we went to, the guy bought. He said he bought probably $3,000 worth of fireworks. Well,
Oh, wow.
kid said he bought came with 8 mortars. Bought your own tube in each one, and these tubes were. So there's 3 of us out there lighting them, and
Wow.
I mean, you spark it next to the grill and just lay back and just. You're like, yeah. Something about
One
fire.
just went really
One went where?
Always have the
when we were doing it, one went like
July,
up
they call
3
it.
feet and went off.
It was
Oh.
because it was the same time.
Yeah, sometimes that'll happen.
Oh,
So we leave Holly's party to go down to the Cullens.
we're in the price shop. We always had a party up at this guy Scott's house. Up by the side of the lake. And somebody knew somebody that you go to his basement, and his basement's
Yeah.
full, full of anything and everything you ever wanted. Whereas you never been here, you never seen me, we're not exchanging names, just give me money, and you're like, oh, cool. You walk away with a tote full of.
Hey, there's some right there. Oh, that's a drone.
Oh, it is a drone. Yeah.
I thought it was a firework for a second.
I like those. Yeah. Those are cool.
Yeah, it looks like they might have a fire over there at the. You can see the flickering of the sun.
They do. I went over there with
Oh,
the
did they?
Oh, they got their like a fire pit going.
Yeah.
Black Shoe Productions. I do a lot of. There's a lot of the things, a lot of events around us and everything. The guys I work with there always play with Forum and stuff. And they had it down at Maggie's at the time. It was a big block party, a couple stages set up. So I was sitting there backstage watching. Freaking drone comes down right in front of Jeremy as he's playing.
Really?
So the production company itself was flying the drone around, checking out everything, and then just had it sit right in front of the guys playing.
That's pretty cool.
I'm like, oh, when that video comes out, let me know. I definitely want to check it out.
I think drones are so cool.
They are. They're,
I want one, but they're wicked expensive.
They are. You're talking like $1,000 for a small one, I think.
you go to Dick's, you can get a really nice one for $500, but
Really?
Best Buy, yeah.
Oh, Best Buy too? I think that's where I saw them at Best Buy.
Like $500-600, you can get a really nice one, but they go up to anything you want.
Oh, I'm sure.
And they're really easy to drive too.
Well, I wanted to try and get the drone in the video here, and I think I have.
You see how sturdy it is? It hasn't moved.
Hasn't moved. That's a steady hand on that controls.
No, it's a thing on the controls.
There you go.
Okay.
Fly it off your iPhone.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
controller hooks up to your phone and the camera that's on it, so you just cruise
That's
around,
cool.
see where it's at.
That is really cool.
Walmart, you can pick up for a couple $100.
Like,
But don't you have to be licensed to have a drone?
yes.
No.
Some.
Like maybe it depends on where you use it?
There is regulations on where you use them, the height you're supposed to stay under and everything.
Okay.
There's a restriction around airports too. Or certain things.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
But you're not supposed to go above 400 feet. Any military bases.
Oh, no, absolutely not.
But they're actually was on the news today. Their biggest problem that they're having is they have no way to take them down.
Yeah, they're little.
Well, yeah, I mean, but they don't have the transmitters to kill it to do all this other stuff. So a lot of people are going, hey, talking about terrorist attacks.
Yeah.
For $1,000, buy a drone, hook a freaking bomb onto it, fly it in, you're out.
Yeah.
And start putting some laws to these things. They're just so. That's the new age right there. Yeah, because you probably press the hover button, like Michael said, they'll stay in that spot the whole time. Well, we've had problems with trying to figure out where a couple of them are coming from because we'll see them over our pools.
Oh yeah.
So all these cities, whatever,
Yeah.
whatever, is flying their drones over these pools, watching all the
Girls,
people, you
yeah.
know. So we're
I
trying
say that, but they could be watching the boys nowadays.
yeah,
you know.
you can be watching anything, but it's still creepy at the same point. Or
Yes.
they could just be full
Right.
fucking around. Who the hell knows? But it's
Yeah.
still creepy to where you're, they'll. And
Yeah.
the one guy weighed a water bottle out because he flew down into where we were working. And it just creeps me out. Like, why are you watching?
Like, what's your problem,
Yeah.
person?
It just creeps me out. Like you drone 20 feet above your head. Why? Are you
Dad, he actually had a water bottle and actually hit it.
Oh, was close. Yeah, we were right out.
You did?
Oh, yeah.
Nancy said there was a drone. That must be the one. But I hadn't seen it prior to tonight.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, that thing's
What else was part of that? Oh, were they somewhere like Europe? They're training hawks to take them down.
Oh, that's smart.
Yeah. They got put special like.
Oh, the drone's got its light on. It's shining its light over here.
I think someone's training later.
what?
It's off now, but he was shining a light.
Yeah. So, but yeah, they were training the hawks to freaking take out the drones.
Did you-
Because pigeons are too Polish, huh?
Yeah.
The Olympics, they had use of drones the whole time, the opening ceremony, and they were using these drones like Amazon was using drones to deliver packages.
You see for
Say it again.
for the Olympics where they used the small light up drones and it came out to be a 3D graphic snowboarder flying around. They programmed like 1,000 drones that correlate with each other and actually made a person snowboard in and
Oh, no, I know.
But that's the thing to where you can program 1,000 drones to work together.
Oh, wow.
You program
Great.
10 of them. The whole